Do you want to personalize or sign your creations? Create by your mobile or tablet. And control your machine with the My Patterns app by sending designs from the app to your embroidery machine via Wi-Fi. You can import external embroideries in up to 12 different formats. And My Patterns offers 70 embroidery designs and 2 fonts. It also includes the beginner-level embroidery program Easy Design, with 100 more designs and additional features. The Alfa CREA is easy to use. It includes 2 hoops of 120 by 180 millimeters and 50 by 70 millimeters, a horizontal bobbin, an automatic threader, a button to check the embroidery area, a start-stop button, an automatic thread cutter, and dual LED lights. Make the most of your Alfa CREA.